Welcome. This is how to sync email on iPhone. So, guys, if you ever wondered, first just simply go ahead and go through the settings into your device. Now, over here, you could just simply go ahead and scroll down a little bit until you see over here apps. Tap on the apps, and here try to find email or mail. And now from here, you would just simply go for mail accounts at the top, and you will have an option to add an account over here, guys. And you will have multiple platforms that you can choose from depending on your email. So just simply select one, or if it's not on the list, you can just simply select other. Now, once you have added it, you should be able to have the list over here. Now, guys, once you have added your email, it will look something like this. And just simply tap on it, and you will have an option over here, contacts, mail, calendars, and notes. So make sure to turn on the mail in order for you to sync it. And that's simply about it. And after that, as you can see, you have to log in and grant permission to your mail to be synced.